Before you were made in your mother's womb, I have always known you. Before you were flesh, you were already loved. Before you were lost, you were already found. Before you were born, you were already held. I have always known you. I have always known you. I have always known you. Before you could walk, before you could talk, I have always known you. Before you knew me, before you could see, before you could hear, before you could feel, before you were mine, before you were his, before you were hers, before you were theirs, before you were ours. I have always known you. I have always known you. I have always known you. Before you were wanted, before you were needed, before you were thought of, before you were dreamed of, before you were chosen, before you were treasured, before you were longed for, before you were measured, before you were worthy.